Today I'm going to go over how to change a key fob battery on a Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2024 model, but it works for any vehicle in this generation. First, I'm going to press this button here, which allows us to release our emergency key, like so. Then we look at the end here. We get a nice close-up. There is a little relief right down in here. A small screwdriver will get in there. You twist and make sure you're holding it away that's not going to impede that coming off. And there you go. That pops off there. Then we have our battery. This guy just pops out like so. Like that. It is a CR 2032. I'll have a link in the description. I'll also throw a link in the description for a new key as well if you have a broken key. You will need to see a locksmith to set that up, but that comes in, it goes right there. Plus sign is up, and we take our key, start with this end first, pressing down, and then work your way up. And it snaps in. There shouldn't be any space between here, and it's all the way on. Throw your emergency key back on. That goes in there like so, and that is ready to roll. Make sure it's working, red light's going. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.